Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna demo the entire bedroom. I got my buddy Kyle coming over because we gotta get this stuff done before the plumber comes, before the electrician comes, and before the tile guy comes. Let's go. What's that?
Did I answer?
You answered.
Oh. Sorry, I don't know why I answered. I was like in the middle of moving our bed.
Or we can just like do this and then...
Yeah.
It's the heaviest bed.
Where are the handles?
They're on the top.
Oh. Ow, you cranked my neck. Babe, you have to go that way and then out. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, woman. Put your back into it.
I'm out of breath. Okay, the goal is to get this thing done as fast as possible, and here's why. This is where we're sleeping. Well, technically that's where Bear's sleeping, but this is where we're sleeping. So we need to get this thing done as fast as possible because we slept out there last night and I'm already over it. Oh man, that's a lot of work. As of now, we have officially demoed the shower, demoed the tile, demoed the toilet, and taken the vanity out. Let's check it out. Well, I think that's where we're gonna leave you guys today. We've done a ton of work, and I think tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and take all of the crown molding off, all of the baseboards off. Stay with us for tomorrow. Okay, so this section of demo and today is probably not the coolest part, but it's basically just hard work. I have to get all of this thin set off, and this is how far I am after like 2.5 hours of work. This thin set right here is what holds your tile on, and I'm trying to get it to somewhat look like concrete so that when my tile guy comes, he can just diamond blade a little bit of this off, and he's not going to charge me for removing all of this thin set. So if you want to save some money in your demo process, remove the thin set yourself, even though it's a lot of hard work. All right, let's get back at it. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out of here, to be honest. Oh, hey, take it easy. Alright. Let me take the trim off.
Nope, it's coming off anyway.
Okay, maybe we should remove the fan first.
Nope, no, that should be alright. Let me know when you got it.
I have it, but I'm gonna hit the fan.
Okay, hold on over here. Use.
Oh! Baby, I got on my face.
Okay, I got it. Come on now, girl. Ow.
Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Daddy.
When demoing your house from the 70s, this is what you might find. This is a rotted out 2x4 that termites have gotten to, and maybe they sprayed over the years or something, but this was behind the walls, so we're gonna have to replace this. It's supposed to rain all night tonight, so all of this drywall and stuff that can get wet, I'm gonna try not to put it out in the dumpster tonight, because then it's gonna soak up all the water and it's gonna weigh twice as much when they haul it away. So it's just gonna stay here for tonight.
But like we need a new door frame, right?
Yeah, this is all messed up here.
Yeah.
This looks like
We did
one of
that.
the kids chewed on it. Do that. Get your niche, figure out your depth of your niche, width of your niche. I'm tired. All right, guys, this is where we're gonna leave you. We are done with demo for the most part. We have a couple more things to do. If you guys like this, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. We're gonna make more videos like this.
And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning, guys. Someone touched my lens. The joy of having kids and boogers all over your camera. Okay, ready?
Okay. No, I'm not ready. Not ready.
Yeah, here we go.
Thanks for watching.